Hi, I'm Scott Wyatt, the service manager here at Coating Sub, and today we're going to break down the operating procedures for an ASL 3-motor vacuum. First, we want to plug it in. We want to identify what we have, which is a 110. So we'll simply plug that into our extension cord. This unit comes with the option of running 1, 2, or 3 motors. So 1, 2, or 3. You can run them 2 at a time, 1 at a time, or all 3 at once. Our next step will show you how to purge it. Now this unit does come with a pre separator. There is no purger on this because there is no filter. On this one you will find your purge on this little flap. Same as before, we'll shut our valve. We'll open our flap a minimum of 4 times to clear out any debris in the filter, like so. Flap open, flap closed. And that's how we purge the unit. Find your standard hose. On this one we have a special adapter. You basically pull your bung up, slide it in, you're all set. And the next step, we'll show you how to attach the wand. Pretty simple. Find your wand, find your hose, plug it in. Now these also do come with an adjuster off this knob here to set the depth for the wheel. So if you're running and it seems to be dragging, you can always screw it down to push the wheels further, or if it seems like you're not getting a good enough suction, you can release that, pull the wheels down to make it come closer to the ground. Now for this tip, it'll be how to change the Longo packs. First you want to identify where your zip ties are, which are hanging off this bag. You're going to want to pull 2 zip ties out, come down here. After you've purged it, eventually your bag will start to fill. So what you're going to want to do is to pull that bag down, separate a gap between the bag that has the dirt and an empty case. And you simply put your 2 zip ties on and then cut between the center, like so. Give her a nice tug down, you're all set. This next tip would be for locking the casters. Pretty self-explanatory. Simply push them down to lock them in. Perfect for transfer.